Hmm. Today, first day of school, weird stuff is happening to me. Don't know why. Ouch. Well, as you can see, I'm a blonde cat. Blonde as can be. The air smells good. And it's good to be a cat. Now, let's get this over with. Why won't I do this? Ow. Oh, help. Get away. Oh. Forget it. I can go into class. Ow. Okay, eventually, I'm gonna make myself bleed. Like her. Beaver boy. It's actually Beaver girl, but I call her Beaver boy. See you all in class. We aren't going to class. You are now. You hit wrong one. Ow. You're coming with me. Well, that was perfect. I made it! Okay, so where'd that collar go? There we are. Now, one trick. I said trick. But one trick question. How would I do this? Oh, perfect. Wait, what? Ouch. Yep. Ouch is for sure. Okay, it's now class time. But I'm not gonna go to class. Wait, better than class. Come on. Get off. Ow. Okay, I'm sick of my chicken. Ouch. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly get on here. Like no one's business. Yep, so, ouch. That really sucks. Ouch. Well, I'm just gonna go to class. Okay, class, I'm gonna fill in for her. So, we get to go to recess. We don't have recess. Oh, we do now. Yeah! 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 You're making a lot of noise. What was that? I can't open the door. Can't even open it. Someone go in there. Okay. I can go in there. You know what? I'm just gonna open it. There's no treasure inside. How did that just happen? Ouch. You're ruining the swan fur. You're ruining my face. Now go. Oh, just leave. Not like on the stuff with feet for. Wow. We don't care anymore. I can't even see anything. Ow. What like happened? It's still light, but the lights are out. That's because you're being stupid. Very stupid, you know? That's how every stupid person is. You know that, right? Everyone should know that. If they don't know it, then they're dead. What was that for? Yeah, what was that for? She's just a little honey bear. Ah. Honey. You're the color honey. Ouch. I'm actually a bird blonde. I'm not blonde. I just want honey.